In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to insert an image into any shape in Figma. If you've ever wanted to place a photo neatly inside a custom shape, this simple copy and paste method will save you time and give you precise results. First, go to Figma and open the file you're working on. You can use an existing design or start on a blank canvas. The process is exactly the same. Then make sure you can see both the image you want to use and the shape that will contain it. Next, select the image you want to insert. With that layer selected, look over to the right-hand sidebar in the Fill section. You should see a thumbnail indicating that the layer has an image fill. Click that thumbnail or the fill row to make sure the image fill is highlighted, then copy it. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On macOS, press Command+C. If you prefer menus, edit, then copy works too. Copying from the fill ensures you're grabbing the image as a style, not moving the entire layer, which is what makes the next step work cleanly. Now click to select the shape that should hold the image. This can be a rectangle, an ellipse, a polygon, or any vector shape you've drawn. With the shape active, paste. Use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Figma will apply the image directly into the shape's fill, automatically clipping the photo to the boundaries of the shape. If the image looks stretched or off-center, open the fill in the right panel and adjust the settings, such as switching between fill and fit or using crop to reposition. You're not adding a new step here, just fine-tuning the result so it looks the way you expect. You can repeat the same process for the rest of your shapes. Once you've copied the image from the fill the first time, you can simply select another shape and paste again. This is especially handy for creating consistent image-filled icons, avatars, or cards across a layout. If you ever paste onto the wrong object, press undo and try again. And for best results, start with high-resolution images so they remain sharp after resizing inside different shapes. That's the entire workflow. Go to Figma, copy the image from the fill, paste it into your chosen shape, and repeat anywhere you need it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.